Moment of truth, my friends. It runs, but I need a new engine. So my suspicions were correct from a while ago. It wasn't just the busted turbo manifold. Obviously rod knock or something is going on in there. It sounds a bit too clicky and ticky and clunky. So I need to think about now whether or not I pull this motor and repair it and put it back in, effectively rebuilding it, or I pull this motor and put another one in like for like, kind of just a stock engine, or I build another one up and then swap them over. They're probably the three options. So let me know if you've got a VVT 1.8 spare and you're in Melbourne, please. Cheap. Other than that, everything else is working. The turbo lines, all that stuff seems fine. Yeah, I think the damage is fairly minor at this point, and so it's not bad enough to cause any other damage to the engine. It probably could just replace bearings or something and it would be fine again. That said, yeah, if you're going to do, you know, all the work of having to pull the motor out just to replace bearings, might as well do pistons, rods, yada 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 anyway for this sort of car. It's not making huge power, but I did over rev it a few too many times at Sandown, plus it had some weird issues with fueling. I don't know if it was fuel surge or something to do with the shitty tune, but it did have a few moments where it hesitated under power, and that's never a good thing, particularly if it's under fueled, then you're leaning out. So who knows, I'll pull the thing apart at some point and we'll find out what's going on in there. Maybe we'll see a spun bearing, maybe we'll see piston damage. I don't know, I don't think that's what it is. Yeah. So anyway, if you'd like to support the build, please visit beavismotorsport.com. Really need your help at this point. We've got some awesome MX-5 performance gear, not engines though, we don't sell those. Also hit us up, Facebook, Instagram, all of that stuff. And of course, if it's your first time here and you want to see more of this broken MX-5 stuff, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the like button on this video, because that would really help me at this point. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time. I'm gonna go play computer games.